These are 6 superstars who can test one another.
Tonight, Braun Strowman tried to cash in his Money in the Bank. Dolph Ziggler, Drew McIntyre, the Raw Tag Team Champions.
The unstoppable. Think of what the last time we saw on Strowman and Ziggler stood tall over a fallen Shield.
Their opponent and the Universal Champion Roman Reigns.
Pretty wild seeing the hounds of justice march through this in WWE history. You know, a lot has been made over the past couple. Well, his feelings toward his Shield brothers, the interesting tweet over the past couple of days. Tonight, we bring our form of justice.
What Dean Ambrose is thinking, but his actions speak louder than...
It's really been a crack in the Shield, or is that more so because of what McIntyre...
I don't think anybody can deny. We've at least seen, and the questions have been raised, we've seen doubt in the eyes of Ambrose saying, don't necessarily trust him.
Renee, you know Dean Ambrose better than anybody. The Shield surround the ring. What an intimidating...
Braun, Dolph, and Drew asked for this. This is what they get.
And here comes the Shield. A chaotic scene here to start the matchup.
You expect it.
Sends McIntyre, and now the Hounds. Mentality of Reigns, Rollins, and Ambrose.
The flurries.
Look out, Ambrose tearing apart our table here.
It's an absolute mugging. I got a feeling we could see a Shield bomb.
Quick.
Ambrose cleared off our announce table.
It's a great strategy.
To the monster among men, Braun Strowman. And now it's Ziggler and company. The match hasn't even officially started yet. Inside the ring. But the disdain and the hatred between Ambrose and Reigns.
Oh, Ziggler looking to capitalize.
Dolph Ziggler has something to prove. In his mind, he has something to prove. Remember week to Reigns. And now Dolph Ziggler planting Rollins. Isn't it a kick out by the Intercontinental Champion?
Already here for Seth Rollins. Reigns and Ambrose have been taken out of the going to work.
We could have a new force running all of Monday Night Raw.
What a start. And now Strowman. The monster with Reigns and the Shield.
Look at the acceleration. Strowman and Roman Reigns.
Battle at Crown Jewel on November Universal title.
Seth Rollins just has a target on his...
Had a similar strategy.
Ziggler dropping the elbow.
Yeah, maybe Dolph wasn't the strongest. Maybe he was something, and it's working out very well for the tag team champions and Braun Strowman right now. Maybe it motivates Dolph, because right now, Ziggler looks like he's performing 110.
About Dolph Ziggler, about what he's done with his career, but when he's coming from...
The Scottish psychopath. Proud to be back here in Australia. He talked about how he created...
McIntyre just mocking Rollins.
McIntyre's
hybrid athlete, the perfect blend of size, speed, strength, streak a mile long.
Dolph Ziggler, a Continental Champion, former Money in the Bank contract winner. Well, right hands now to Ziggler, and he's got Dolph Ziggler in trouble.
Right in the middle of the ring. History between these two superstars, Rollins and Ziggler, have battled.
They've had some awesome battles. Remember the Iron Man match?
Satisfaction.
And now Rollins is down to one knee, and you
see the eyes.
And Rollins, though,
already believes that he can beat Roman Reigns and become a stronger argument for Braun as we head toward Crown Jewel.
Seth, though, able to...
Rollins such a workhorse here in WWE, but he's been put through a gun.
Braun Strowman's not going to allow it to happen as he knocks ones who may be out. McIntyre drives Reigns into the steps, and
Seth Rollins is helpless.
He's being dragged around the ring by a monster.
It's like a rag doll.
And Reigns have been taken out. This is a 3-on-1 mugging. Hey. Ziggler's something. Couple of right hands trying to fight out of the corner. Here comes the Kingslings. Buckle bomb.
Yeah, but so
because Dolph just tagged in McIntyre. Rollins, though, sends back. Rollins cannot catch a break. This is insanity. Nobody Seth Rollins needs, but Ambrose and Reigns are still down.
Getting a little overconfident, spending so much time around Ziggler. Too comfortable.
Taking on a little bit of that showmanship from Dolph Ziggler.
Right now.
Ambrose and Ziggler now the legal man. Ziggler caught. Ambrose fall away.
Ambrose trying to get his team back in this one.
Ambrose, former WWE champion. Ziggler. For the famouser again, looking for the super kick. Ambrose blocks.
Comfortable up there than Strowman did.
Top rope again for Ambrose.
Oh, man.
Collision. For the ring.
Ribs on ribs.
Both superstars looking for the disastrous for both men. Look at the impact.
Ambrose to get to Roman Reigns. Gain lands on his. Reigns wants in this match.
The universal
boom with a big boot.
Roman just battering McIntyre in the corner. The big dog.
McIntyre sent over the DDT. Is it enough for Reigns?
A one-on-one contest at this very moment. Both of these.
Roman Reigns looks like he's getting a good idea.
Here comes Ziggler,
which allows McIntyre to deliver the boot. Oh my God! And now McIntyre roll up.
At this, the strength of the Universal Champion.
McIntyre kicked out. Ziggler made the save.
On the side of the apron.
And now Rollins. Roman back in the mix.
Uh-oh. Let's go kiss from McIntyre.
Into the post.
Oh,
Superman punch by Reigns.
Scene of a car crash.
This is what happened moments ago. Now that we have a little bit of Burton's Superman punch that took out Dean.
Shield look like they might be trying to regain.
Yes.
Now Strowman back on his feet.
Reigns find themselves on the opposite side of the coin.
Wait.
Oh my God. Oh my God! Then Ambrose is going to join Strowman and company.
Doing what the Shield does.
Ambrose is legal. I think we're looking for it. The triple power bomb. Strowman!
Plus Drew McIntyre.
God.
And now he's just tossing everybody out of the ring. What the hell is Strowman thinking here? Blasting Reigns. And now Rollins run over by a truck.
Ziggler waiting for it. There it is.
No!
On the floor, run his ass over!
We did it to Rollins.
He's safe.
About to meet the same exact fate as his Shield. There we go.
Like a raging bull. Oh my God! By Roman Reigns.
Where the hell Roman even come from?
Saving Ambrose. Super kick. Ambrose back into the ring. Dolph Ziggler and Roman Rollins all down for the count. And it's Rollins now. Ambrose, dirty deeds. The Shield stands tall.
The Shield!
Be chaotic. We knew it was going to be grueling to where Dean Ambrose stood tonight.
But we just witnessed.
That was the war we expected. Watch this. Boom! Roman Reigns ran out of WWE history. Ambrose realized that Roman Reigns did shield the hounds of justice.
At different points in the matchup were forced.
Roman said earlier, there are no craft form of justice to Melbourne.
That was an unbelievable showing from the Shield tonight.
Believe that. What an incredible match